What if I told you the smartest person in the room isn't always the one with the most money or power, but the one who knows how to think differently? When you take a woman out to dinner, remember to bring a gift. When you take a man out to dinner, make sure to bring along a charming friend. If a wealthy person invites you for drinks, always offer to pay. If someone struggling financially invites you out, let them talk about their challenges. Let me tell you a story that explains it all. There was once a high-level executive traveling for work. He checked into a hotel, opened the door to his room, and suddenly a young woman dressed provocatively rushed in. She said nothing, lay on the bed, and boldly declared, "Give me $10,000 or I'll call the police. There are no cameras in this room, and there's no way you can prove your innocence." The executive, calm and composed, pulled out a notebook and wrote, "I'm hard of hearing. Could you please write down what you just said?" The woman, caught off guard, took the notebook and wrote her threat word for word. She handed it back to him, smiling smugly. He looked at her and replied, "Now you give me $5,000 or I'll report you for extortion. This notebook is evidence." On another day, the same executive was driving back to his hometown with a bag of pork in his car. On the way, he stopped for water but forgot to lock his car. When he returned, the bag of pork was gone. Luckily, his dashcam captured an older woman and her grandson stealing the bag. When he reported the theft to the police, they said, "It's just a small amount. We can't investigate this." The executive calmly replied, "That pork had been soaked in preservatives. It's toxic." Hearing this, the police immediately reviewed every surveillance camera in the area. Within 30 minutes, they found the culprits. The thief was trembling when they were caught. You see, the most powerful weapon in the world isn't money or influence, it's your mindset. If you've ever felt like you're too honest, too straightforward, or unable to navigate tricky situations, this channel is for you. Our videos are more than strategies, they're a way of thinking. They'll teach you to flip the script, find the shortest path, and use practical methods to reach your goals. Master these lessons, and you'll unlock doors to a whole new world. Sometimes, it's not about how smart you are, it's about learning from those who came before you. So if you're ready to transform the way you approach life, stay with us. This might just change everything.